Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Rasun, and today I'm gonna be showing you top 4 websites you can learn coding for free. These websites actually offer free varieties of. So let's get into it. So the first one is going to be free code camp. So let's go ahead and type that freecodecamp.org. Yeah, so click on the first link to go to the page. Alright, so this is the free code camp window. So this is how it looks like when you open it at first, and below here are testimonies of people who have used their workers in Amazon and other big companies. um a lot of companies, so you need to check it out. It's absolutely free. So get started. To start, you click over there, and yeah, it's absolutely free, and it comes with also certificates. So if you wanna log in, you can either use your Google, your GitHub, or any other social media account you have. So I'm already logged in, so I'll just click on sign in. I'll sign in with Google. No, let's go back. Actually, I'll sign in with GitHub because that's what I've used to sign in. Yeah. It's easy, and this is the curriculum. This is what I'm studying right now. So you can see everything is laid down in an orderly path. It's just like a career path, and here you can check in your accounts. You can change details later, and then you have your certificates in there, as I told you earlier. So let me go ahead and show you my certificate. Alright, so we scroll down, and this is my certificate. You can see my name on it, signature of Queen Sololand. He's the head, the director over there. So he always sends you email regularly. So as I told you, it's absolutely free. All you need is just to donate $5 monthly if you can afford. It's not compulsory. So so let's go to the second one. The second one, we have this game. We have Code Academy. Actually, that was the first website I used when I started programming. Code Academy. It really helped me a lot, but that was way back in 2015. I just couldn't cope up. I didn't understand what I was doing, so I stopped some time ago. But it's actually one of the best. It's actually one of the best. Everything is in there, so you choose the course you want. There's a career path for the pro version. As I told you, absolutely free. It has a free version, a pro version. Some courses for pros, and then you can see those that are not marked with a pro watermark. You can see they are all for free, and you can basically get a job with all these few languages. So it's good. You need to check it out. Very nice. It's good. um the Everything you choose your part. Do you want to be on back end, front end, whatever, computer science, what you want to do, data science, full stack, everything is laid down perfectly. You just need to click on it and it's gone. Yeah, just gonna be learning code straight. So that's the second one. Free code codeacademy.com. Yeah, that's it. Everything looks nice. Okay, we move to the third one. That's W3 sorry, no, that's Sololand. Sorry, not W3, Sololand. Before we move to W3. Okay, so Sololand actually is one of the best when it comes to teaching, because this the way it is designed. It has courses. You can see the courses tab. You click on it, you have every course you want: Python, C++, and they tell you the number of people that have already taken, so you know which one is more popular than the other. is really decent. So if I click on more, that means I want to learn Python, so I'll click on the first lesson. So this is what they do. They have these structured small simple lessons. They just ask you a bunch of questions, you answer, and then they explain. And then so like this, you click on welcome to, but they explain a bunch of stuff. You go next, they ask you a question about what they've explained earlier. You can see it's very, very simple and easy for learner. But actually, with Sololand. So okay, we move on to the third one. Oh, sorry, the fourth one. That is W3 schools. Well, you can think of W3 schools as a large library for coding, programming as well. So here's what you get in W3 school. Everything. If you don't know how to add a text, go type in the search bar. If you don't know how to start your HTML document, how to save it, go type in the search bar. These are every program there. So the C++ tutorial over here right now that I've clicked, you can see everything is laid down gently and nicely. So whatever you want to learn, so this kind of like be a reference point. So yeah, that, so this gonna be a reference point, so you try it yourself here, click on there to see how the program actually works. That's one thing I like about W3 School. There's a built-in editor. Of course, all the other websites have built-in editors, so you can see a lot, there are a lot of stuff going on here. So yeah, that's basically it for the video. So I'll see you guys in the next one. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any question, and also if you have any video idea, you can just leave it down. I'm gonna be doing that very soon. So this is the Code Academy course I forgot to teach you. So peace.